Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. I hope you all are doing good. In the previous video, we learned what HTML is and also install our code editor, Visual Studio Code. Today, we are going to start real coding and I help you create your first HTML file. Before we start, just a quick revision. Remember, HTML is used to create the structure of a website. If you remember this, perfect. If not, don't worry. We see it practically today. First, open Visual Studio Code. This is where we will write our HTML code. If you haven't installed, pause the video and check the previous video. Now click New File and save it as index.html. Save it as index.html. Make sure you type .html at the end. This tells the computer that is an HTML file. I hope you understood this. If not, pause the video and try creating it once before moving forward. Now we will write the basic HTML structure. This is very important. Even for interviews, you should know this structure. Shift, Control, exclamatory, and enter. This is your HTML structure. Don't worry. If this look new, I explain it simply. Uh, this doc type tag is tells the doc type HTML tells the browser that is an HTML5 document. HTML tag, main tag, everything comes inside this. Head tags contain information about the page like title. Title tag, this show the name on the browser tab. Body. Body tag is most important part. Whatever you want to show on screen, you write inside body. Now let's write our first visible content inside the body tag. I'm writing H1. This is a heading tag. This is a heading tag, big text. Next, I am writing paragraph and normal. This tag, paragraph and normal text. Now save your file. Save. You can control and S. Then you can go your file location and right click open with live server. Open with live server. See, here is your first website. Oh, sorry, I am not write down in paragraph tag. So I am writing in paragraph tag, welcome to my channel. Then you can save and go to your Chrome, refresh this. Yeah, see, here is your output. Hello, welcome to my channel. You just created your first website. If you want to more practice, you can visit W3 schools tutorial and HTML tutorial is here. There you can try HTML live in their editor. This is help you practice faster and understand better. Your task for today, create this file, write the code exactly I show, run it in your browser, comment done when you finish. And if you face any problem, tell me in the comments. I help you. Today we created our first HTML file and understood the HTML structure. This is very important for your web development journey. In the next video, we will learn HTML tags in detail. So follow Code with Khan Developer. Thank you for watching this video.